Hello to all the Form 5 students. Today we'll continue discussing the inverse variation exercise. So for my previous video, I stopped at 5a. So today I will discuss 5b. Calculate the values of s and t for each of the following relation. So y varies inversely square root x, right? So that means I will convert to equation with a constant, right? Okay, then I will substitute these pairs of data to get the constant. So 8 is equal to k is an unknown, square root 9 over 4. That means the k is 8 times square root 9 is 3, square root 4 is 2. So 2, 1, 2, 4. So the k is 12. Then after you found the k, what must you do? You must use a k, substitute into the equation. So y is 12 over square root x. And then after you got this equation, you can solve the unknown s. Alright, so 2.4 is equal to 12 over square root s. And hence, square root s is 12 over 2.4. So do you know how to do this? It's actually cross multiplication. So let me show you how to do. You just do like that. 12 times 1, right? You will get 12, and then 2.4 times square root s. So this one you bring over to be divided. So you get the answer 12 over 2.4, right? So you get 5 for square root s, but the question wants s, so you need to squaring both sides, right? You have to square both sides. Why? Because you have the square root here. So the s is 25. Alright, so after you got the s, you have to find the t. Okay, let's find the t. So we are still using the same equation, which k is 12. So I'm going to solve this. So just now we have the y is equal to 12 over square root x. So the y is t, the 12, and the x is 0.04. Then the t is, let's press the calculator, 12 divided by square root 0.04. So the answer is 60, right? Okay, we have solved 5b. Now we need to solve another one. We have another one. Let's discuss number 6. Okay, for number 6, it's quite simple. So let's have a look. A company print a certain number of books every day. The table shows the number of printing machines in operation. Okay, and the time needed to print the books. It is given that t varies inversely. Okay, very important keywords. Inversely, so that means t will be varies inversely sm. So tm is equal to k, right? So we just found the k by take 10 times 6. So it's 60. Hence, we can substitute back into the equation. So that means Tm is 60. So we are going to solve the P. Right, the P is here. M is 8. So T is P. AP is 60. That means P is 60 divided by 8, also equivalent to 15 over 2, which is 7.5, right? So that means the P is 7.5. let's solve the Q. How to find the Q? So we can use T is, we have Tm equal to 60. So we are going to substitute the T as the 4. That means 4Q equal to 60, right? So that means a Q is 60 divided by 4, which is 15, right? So we have got the answer for 6B. And now let's discuss the last question for this exercise, which is about the oscillation. T is a simple pendulum varies inversely as the square root, the keyword is square root, inversely square root of gravitational acceleration G. That means T, from here I can write is equal to K. T multiplied by square root of G is equal to a constant. And the T was given 1.01 and the acceleration was given 9.85 is equal to K. Now let's press the calculator for 1.01 times square root 9.85. So the answer is 3.1699. Right? Are you getting the same? 3.1699. So hence express, the question says express T in terms of the G. Can you see that? T in terms of the G. So that means we will substitute here, and T is equal to 3.1699 over square root G. Okay, you may give your answer in 2 decimal. 3 is 3.17 over square root G. This is also accepted. So that's all about the inverse variation for a few simple questions. So we will discuss more challenging hot question in the coming video teaching, and I will also discuss what is combined variation before we discuss. Till then, I shall see you in my next video lesson. Bye bye and have a nice day.